Nasema Waiguru hakuna mwingine, sisi tutasagua. Hata mwaka ujao sisi tutasagua Waiguru. Nani anasema Waiguru si mjumbe? Huyo ni gavana wetu na hatujui mwingine. Ametuletea msere, akatengeneza barabara, wanataka watengeneze nini? Mnataka nini kingine? Waiguru ndiye tosa, hakuna mwingine.
On behalf of the people of Kirinyaga here, with the leaders of Kirinyaga County, drawn from various interest groups, women leadership, daughters, sisters and mothers of the great people of Kirinyaga are deeply saddened by the impeachment of Governor Anne Waiguru and vexed by the manner in which the impeachment was conducted. The impeachment of Governor Anne Waiguru was only made possible by the illegal actions that went against the very reasons Kenyans go to the polls to elect their leaders. There were signatures forged, laws broken, and perhaps worse still, all this was done in a manner that left the beloved governor without resource. We wish to denounce the violence meted against our women leaders in the assembly and indeed Governor Anne Waiguru herself. We wish to speak against the very approach that was used to achieve the illegal impeachment. We request the authorities and the Senate to take a closer look at this matter and see that what we are talking about is true and that this impeachment really is null and void. The Jubilee Constitution does not imagine a scenario where members of the Assembly take individual positions against a consulted and communicated party positions. We want to add our voices to those who are opposing the madness witnessed yesterday and call national attention to the fraudulent nature of the entire process.